Therefore, this is very clear that the central leadership of the BJP has planned to topple the government by horse trading, by hook or crook. In that way, they use this Pegasus software to topple that government. That is why Kharge ji have mentioned not only in Karnataka, in Madhya Pradesh also same thing might happen. No, it is very shocking that the personal security person of former Prime Ministers, Mr. Devagowda, his phone also has been tapped. There is a simple question before the country now: who is safe in this country? As far as his personal, everybody has to be careful in this country nowadays. There is no privacy. Our union government can enter into anybody's kitchen now.
Even bedroom.
Even bedroom. Even bathroom also. Therefore, this is not a simple issue. Government can't run away from answering these questions. Now there are pertinent questions before the country. This Modi government cannot run away from these questions. What happened yesterday, Rajya Sabha? Minister has given a statement which has been actually contradictory to the statement which had been given in 2019. Then Minister of IT. Our submission is that government has to come forward for an open discussion. If they are thinking that there is no guilty in their part, why don't they announce a judicial inquiry under the Supreme Court monitoring?
पहले मैंने कहा था कि जो शासन ऐसे काम कर रहे हैं, इसके लिए वो अधिकार में रहने के लायक नहीं है, ये हमने कहा था। अधिकार वो मॉरल ग्राउंड पे ही नहीं, जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट उनका इस पे है, उस आधार पर वो खुद ही राजीनामा देना चाहिए। और इसकी इंक्वायरी भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर इसको पुष्टि कर रहे हैं, तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब का भी इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए। आज मैंने देखा फ्रांस में इसकी इंक्वायरी जांच हो रही है, जो ये अपने स्नूपिंग किया जा रहा है, जो इजराइल कंपनी से आप खरीद कर जो कर रहे हैं, उसके फ्रेंच गवर्नमेंट ने इंक्वायरी शुरुआत की है। तो इसीलिए हम ये चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पर हम इस प्रश्न को उठाएंगे, लेकिन ऐसी गंदी हरकतें, डर्टी पॉलिटिक्स जो कर रहे हैं, इसको हम कंडम करते हैं और ये सहन करने जनता भी सहन नहीं करेगी और हम भी सहन नहीं करेंगे।
It is at the instance of the Government of India. It is Government of India, headed by Mr. Narendra Modi ji, who played this dirty game to topple the opposition government. So they were succeeded in that. That is why they tapped the numbers of Satish, Venkatesh, Manjunath, and our Dr. Parmeshwar, who was a Deputy Chief Minister in the coalition government. Now it is a crime according to me. It's a crime committed by the Government of India. It has to be raised in both the houses of Parliament, and the inquiry is needed. I request Mr. Kharge ji and also the leader in the lower house to demand an inquiry to the whole matter by a high-level inquiry. See, this dirty game has to be stopped. The party which is in power at the center should not play this type of dirty game, should not commit crimes in this manner. See, these numbers are now leaked, and it is confirmed by the one Mr. Ajay. I spoke to my PA, Venkatesh, and he spoke to him also, that Ajay spoke to Mr. PA, and he has confirmed that it is his number only. And it is confirmed with Satish also, it is his number only. According to the report of the Wire, it is these numbers are of the numbers of the PA and of Kumaraswamy and PA of myself. Definitely it is a crime. It has to be stopped. This type of dirty game should not be allowed in politics. This is not democracy. In a democratic government, toppling the democratic government, it's a crime. That is my point.
The entire country has come to know about this entire phone tapping. The Wire has come out with a lot of issues. One thing I would like to take a point. At this point of time, after the government fell down, reports came out in the media about the phone tapping by the Karnataka government itself. Then Yediyurappa was kind enough to order a CBI probe. He ordered a CBI probe, and that probe is still on. Investigation are still going on. When they were so urgent and immediately ordered a CBI probe, I demand, as our General Secretary Venugopaji demanded, that this undoubtedly the Government of India should announce the Supreme Court investigation should take place, whatever the form of investigation, as our party has requested, by the heading a Supreme Court judge. I think this investigation has to take out. Then only the law of this country will prevail. Because already earlier in Karnataka, on a telephone tapping case, Mr. Ramakrishna Hegde government also was being collapsed. There are a lot of instances in that. So we demand a probe, a judicial probe, headed by the Supreme Court of this country.